If you encounter issues verifying your identity on Bestegg, follow these steps to resolve the problem and successfully complete the verification process. Step 1. Review verification requirements. Check the specific documents and information required for identity verification. This may include a government-issued ID, social security number, and proof of address. Step 2. Ensure accuracy of information. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use Azure to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Contact customer support. If verification fails, reach out to Bestegg's customer support for assistance. They can provide guidance on what may have gone wrong and how to correct it. Step 4. Resubmit required documents. Follow the instructions from customer support to resubmit your identity verification documents. Make sure they are clear and legible to avoid further issues. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After resubmitting your documents, allow some time for Bestegg to process your verification. You will receive a notification once your identity has been successfully verified. By following these steps, you can effectively address any issues with identity verification on Bestegg. If problems persist, consider seeking further assistance from customer support.